In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Facebook navigation bar move to bottom problem. Let's get started. Facebook users are currently reporting where the navigation bar or menu bar, which usually appears at the top of the app, is now suddenly showing at the bottom. Because of this change, many users are confused and wondering why it has happened and how to fix it. The main reason behind this issue is most likely a recent Facebook update. After updating the app, Facebook may have changed the UI layout, which is why the navigation bar is now appearing at the bottom for some users, while for others it is still showing at the top. This is also why you may notice differences between devices, where on one phone it appears at the top and on another it appears at the bottom. This clearly indicates that Facebook is gradually rolling out a new interface update or testing a new layout. If this is happening due to a glitch or bug, then the easiest solution is to update your Facebook or completely delete it and reinstall it. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. However, if this is an actual new feature rollout from Facebook, then there is nothing you can do to revert it. In that case, the navigation bar will slowly appear in the same position for all users across different devices as the update rolls out globally. So whether it is a bug or new design change, updating the app and waiting for the rollout is the best solution. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.